Hi. Saya Mr. Harry from Harry International, the CEO of Harry International. Today we had a very fantastic event. It's full pack with so many activities, so many beautiful ladies, handsome guys who has shown their talent here, and then I think the event went very nicely, okay, without any error, and everyone was happy. So I hope that we will continuously do our events, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my sponsors, all my supporters, my whoever is, especially the media. The media was very supportive and to cover the event, and then I hope that we will continuously do a lot of events in future. Okay, and yeah, today the event was very nice event. After 1 year we are doing this event, Mr. and Mrs. Hit Malaysia. So I hope that we will be continuously doing this event in coming years. Okay.
Semua model-model yang terlibat.
Okay, to all my finalists, thank you very much. Congratulations, all of you are winners today. And I think you have somehow all of you get some titles. So I'm very happy that you have gone through this journey for this past 1 year. And yeah, syabas to all of you.
Jadi tentang sikit lagi saja. Future, what you want to do?
Okay, actually for this year we have upcoming events. In June we are going to do a sari fashion show to portray our Indian traditional sari, and we also trying to attempt for a Malaysia Book of Record for that event. And we also going to have Miss, Mrs. and Mr. Hit Johor, and also Mr. and Mrs. Hit Penang for this year. So stay tuned for the new updates.
Hit Malaysia 2020 is Aruna. Congratulations to Aruna Devi Krishna. The winner, the champion, will be walking away with a sash, a crown, a bouquet, a ring from Russian Jewelers, and also the heels from Iswani Heels. A pair of beautifully designed heels from Iswani Heels. For the crowning ceremony.
Hi, I'm Kribashni Rajendran from Para, contestant number 6. I'm title winner. I'm too nervous. Thank you Harry International for selecting me. Hit Miss Malaysia and coordinators, trainers, Mr. Ramesh sir, and yeah, thank you. Thank to my family first. I really thank my family. Yeah. This is my second pageantry. Nervous lah. Wait ah. Okay. This is my second pageantry. First time I win the title Natural Beauty. Now I'm title winner. Very excited and proud. Really proud. Proud myself because I've survived lot of things. Really. After the pageant, I'm really part of this Harry Academy, really, of course. And
Hi, I'm champion of Mr. Hit 2020. I'm really proud. I'm so happy that I'm winning this title, and this is really a memorable moment. And thank you so much for all the loves, all the support, all the voters, all who nominate me. And I really can't say in a words, but huge thank you so much. I'm really happy and really proud. And I love you God, love you everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, I need to say thank you so much to Harry International Talent, whereby they are choosing me as a winner. They have trained me almost 1.5 years. Due to this pandemic, we couldn't make it, but finally we make it, and I'm the final stage, and I'm winner now. And thank you so much to Mr. Harry, my coordinator, my trainer, Mr. Ramesh, Miss Tila, Miss Kuna, Miss Joe, the whole crew of Mr. Hit and Harry International Talent, and also my colleague, my friends is the best, my Mr., my Miss, my Missus. They are all their supporters. Thank you so much, and love you all. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, since I'm become a winner, so I want to take this opportunity to lead all the youngsters to came into the modeling field, because they thought modeling field is just a normal pageantry. So modeling is about your confidence, you're professionals, you're responsible. So I need to take this opportunity to lead all the youngsters to come and join me, win some title and achieve in their dreams, in their life in modeling pageantry. Thank you.
Hi, we are on UTV Media, and here we have the second runner-up of the Miss category. Congratulations, Michelle.
Thank you.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy, even though it's not champion lah. But I am still very grateful and very happy, because this is like a journey to me, and this journey makes me to have a lot of friends and like sisterhood and stuff, you know.
So basically, you have gone through this for how many weeks?
It's been around 1.5 years, I think.
Oh, due to the pandemic and all that.
Yes.
So it's a very unique year for any
Yes.
pageant contestants. And what have you actually learned from this journey?
In this journey, I learned to have more confidence. I think that is the most first one lah, and then others is like learn about catwalks and beauty pageant and stuff. Like I never know before. Yeah, the stuff I never know before.
And you have made some good friends?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
In
Can you?
my categories, yeah, like the Miss categories.
Okay. Can you tell everybody about what you plan to do from now onwards, since you have actually won yourself a title?
I would use this title like to promote myself and to do more modelings in the future. Yeah.
I see. So do you have a final message for all your fans out there? I'm sure you have made a lot of friends because of your beauty, your confidence, your intelligence, and all that.
I would say be yourself, be confident. Okay.
Okay.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Angel Gracious, and the International Harry event, it was very memorable moment, and I really enjoy having fun, and then the food was delicious, and yeah. Okay, the beautiful girls are beautiful, of course, and the boys are also handsome. I enjoy their performance, especially their talent moment. Yeah, they're dancing so cool, and also the singing moment of the guy. Yeah. So once again, I'm Angel Gracious, and good evening.
Hi, I'm Hema from Harry International. So I'm proud to be so I want to thank you to Mr. Harry and the whole team. That's all. Thank you.
Feeling? Your feel? Oh.
I'm really unexpected this. So that's all. Thank you so much. Yeah.
and Tuna.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to all my honorable judges. My name is Sharmina Mahindran, contestant number 6 from Kuala Lumpur. Hope you all enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a result, I'm contestant number 1, Mr. Raj Nagarajan from Pahang. Have a blessed evening. Thank you.